Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Melanie and I predominantly do food hauls from Asda and Marks and Spencer's. I've always done other types of videos in the past, but for a long time I haven't done anything beauty related. I have done beauty unboxings before and jewellery unboxings and watch unboxings, that sort of thing, but for quite a few months it's just been food related. So today I'm back with a Earle unboxing. I treated myself to this box for my birthday and I think it's got 6 products inside, so I'm going to show you everything that I got. Our ultimate indulgent beauty gift, and this basically says what's in it, but I'm just going to unwrap everything and show you everything that's in here. I've actually not even looked myself. So there's 3 products in here. So the first one is my favourite cleanser, which is the Cleanse and Polish Hot Cloth Cleanser, naturally active ingredients, rosemary, chamomile, cocoa butter and eucalyptus essential oil. Cleanses and gently exfoliates for smoother, clearer skin. I've been using this for about 2 years now, but I normally get the pump action one. I've never had the squeezy tube one. I don't know which one's better and which one works better, I don't know. I do like the look of the other one and I do like that it pumps, but maybe you could get more product out of this because you can squeeze it out, whereas in the tube type one, the hard one, you can't really. So there's a hot cloth cleanser. Instant Boost Skin Tonic, naturally active ingredients, aloe vera, calendula, cucumber, rose scented geranium and natural source of vitamin E. Revitalises, soothes and tones for radiant looking skin. Again, I have this already, it's one of my favourite products and I've got it in the squirty bottle. I know that doesn't really describe it well, but I've never had, oh, that's different. Probably going to have to put it on with a cotton wool pad, whereas the other one I just spritz on my face. I prefer the spritz, but it is, how many 100 mils is it? 200ml. Then there is the Skin Repair Moisturiser for normal combination skin, naturally active ingredients, borage and avocado oil, echinacea and natural source of vitamin E, intensely moisturises, soothes and conditions. I've never tried any of the face creams by Earle before, and there was an option of which set you wanted, so I could have had 2 other versions of the set that I bought. I could have had the dry skin one and I could have had the sensitive skin one, but I have combination skin. It's sometimes sensitive, but for the most part it's just combination, so that's why I've got this one. I've never tried it, as I've said, so I am looking forward to giving this a try, and it's 50ml. And there's 2 muslins, which is always good. I need a new muslin. Cleanse and Polish Hot Cloth Cleanser, Mimosa and Angelica. Naturally active ingredients, cocoa butter, rosemary and chamomile. I've never tried a limited edition one before, and as I said, there was 3 different options of which moisturiser you got for your face, and then there was 2 options of which limited edition hot cloth cleanser you got, and I chose this one. And this is the type of bottle I like it in, where you can pump it out. It's 150ml, and I actually really like the design. It's something different because normally all the packaging is just the same green colour, so I'm looking forward to trying that one. Orange Flower Botanical Body Wash, naturally active ingredients, organic oat extract, salt bag extract and natural source of vitamin E. Cleanses and softens for smoother skin, 200ml. Over the course of the summer, I actually bought one of these and I've still got it in my bathroom. I absolutely love it. It's really thick and it has oils in it and it leaves my skin so soft. I also had the matching body lotion or body cream, I think it's called, and I've not used that as much because it's not amazing, but this is. So I'm happy to have another one of these. And the final item is the Orange Flower Botanical Hand Wash, naturally active ingredients, pure essential oils of sweet orange and patchouli. Gently cleanses, softens and leaves hands delicately scented, 200ml. If this wasn't in the set, I wouldn't have bought this separately because I'm happy with the hand washes that I use that are much cheaper than this. This is probably going to be really nice. If it's anything like the body wash, this is going to be amazing. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying that as well. So that's everything in the gift box. It's called our Ultimate Indulgent Beauty Gift and I bought it from QVC. I saw the ad on Instagram and I'm a big sucker for Instagram ads and I tend to buy a lot because of them. So this is the card that came with it that I wasn't going to show you because it tells you what everything is, but I'm really looking forward to trying these things that I haven't tried, like the hand wash, the face cream and the limited edition hot cloth cleanser. If you want me to do a review video about this when I've tried them all, please let me know in the comments down below. I don't think this set is for sale anymore. If it is, I will link it in the description box below. If not, I will link similar things. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section and I'll reply. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification button and then you'll get an alert every time I upload a similar video. I'll be back very soon with another video. Thank you for watching everyone. Bye.